Hello everyone and welcome to the Techtron YouTube channel. This is our first unboxing. We're unboxing the Techtron Ultra 5000, so let's get straight into it. The Techtron Ultra 5000 is our fastest and most powerful e-scooter, but we also have 3 other e-scooters available right now on our website. So I recommend heading over to techtron.co and we'll also include a link in the description. So taking a look at the packaging, we have a nice big image on the front. We have the Techtron Ultra 5000 in lots of other colors, and we have that for all of our models as well. So on the front of the packaging, we have quite a lot of features, including a 40km distance. It takes 6 hours to charge, and it's got a 500-watt motor. So now let's get into the packaging, and I'm going to cut off this bit just so we can get into it. Okay, so what I recommend you do is put it on its side and then you can slide the box out. So because the box is quite heavy, I do recommend getting someone else to help you. It will make it much easier and you can get using your e-scooter much quicker. Okay, so we've got the box open and let's have a look at what we have inside. First thing we have is the AC charger. Then we've got a phone holder included. So what I recommend you do is take the polystyrene out and it should make it a little bit easier to get the scooter out of the box. So because the box is quite heavy, I recommend flipping it back on its side so you can pull the scooter out. Okay, so I've taken the e-scooter out of the box and we'll have a look at the rest of the packaging while we put that to the side. So in the box, we have the instruction manual with some Allen keys, and then we have a bottle holder. So let's put this box to the side, and now let's have a look at the e-scooter. So when you put the scooter on a table, I recommend putting the kickstand on just so it doesn't tip to the side. It's pretty amazing, it's an absolute monster. Okay, so now we've got the e-scooter ready on the table. I recommend getting the Allen keys ready to go with the instructions. So let's take off this polystyrene. And to do that, you need to slide out the handlebar first. And then what I recommend doing next is connecting the cables. So what you do to connect it is take the standpipe and then get the cables coming out of the handlebar, and then get the first black cable coming out of the standpipe and then connect it. Okay, and then the next thing I recommend doing is picking up the standpipe and then just tucking it in. So one thing I recommend you do is you cut off the cable tie because it might get in the way. Okay, so when you've got the cables connected, let's have a go at connecting it. So make sure that this bit is facing upwards. And then once you're ready, push the handlebar into the bottom and then give it a wiggle and it should slide in. So once the handlebar is connected, now let's get the screws into the handlebar. So get the bag and then take this little bag out, and there should be a couple of screws in here, and take those out. So just looking at these screws, there's 2 which you won't need for the time being, which are these ones. So I recommend putting those to the side, and then take these 6 screws and then put them in. And then you'll also need a Allen key. And you should be able to easily find the right one. So the Allen key set is included, and I'm using the 4th one down, and we can see that one fits nicely. Okay, so now we've got all the screws in. Make sure that you put all 6 in just to make sure that it's nice and tight. What you do is you take the standpipe and you lift it up, and then you screw this. And then make sure it's nice and tight, but not so tight that you can't unscrew it. So thank you so much for watching our unboxing video. If you're interested in buying the Techtron Ultra 5000, head over to techtron.co and don't forget to subscribe for staying up to date with all of our latest videos.